Graciano's Unit 2 Summative Assessment, and it is about the book The Maze Runner. The summary: a teenager named Thomas arrives to the glade in a metal box. Like all the other kids in the glade, Thomas has no memory of his life before arriving to the glade. Thomas quickly finds his place in the glade after demonstrating a unique skill that lands him a spot as a runner. Thomas and his friends are trying to find a way out of the glade by running through the maze. After 2 years of the glades being run by kids, Thomas thinks he finally found a way out. The theme for the Maze Runner's persistence is the key to survive. This is shown on Chapter 16, page 64 and 65. Newt won't say it, the boy said, so I will. If they're not back, it means they're dead. Minho's too smart to get lost. Impossible. They're dead. Thomas knew he had no choice. He moved forward, he squeezed past the connecting rods at the last second, and stepped into the maze. The wall slammed shut behind him, the echo of its boom bouncing off the ivory-covered stone, like mad laughter. On page 64, you can see that Chuck has no faith that Minho will get back in time with Albie, because the doors will close any minute. But Thomas didn't want to give up. So on page 65, when the doors were about to close, Thomas ran after Minho, because he didn't want to give up on them. He wanted to see them survive the maze. Another example of persistence is the key to survive is on Chapter 46, page 166. Don't worry, he whispered, hoping they could hear him. I did it on purpose. This shows persistence because Thomas got himself stung by the griever so he could remember his past and hopefully remember a way out. Although it wasn't smart and he could have died from it, he was thinking about all his friends and the people stuck in the maze, and he knew that the only way to get out was to get stung so he could remember his past. The last piece of evidence supporting the theme is on Chapter 52, page 179. Thomas leaned back on the bench and put his right foot up on his knee, wondering how Teresa would react to what he was going to say. We gotta go through the griever hole. Use that code to shut the grievers down and open a door out there. Thomas knew that there was only one way to go through the griever hole and shut down the maze. Thomas knew that the only plan they had was to go down the griever hole, and even if it was dangerous, they had to get out of the maze. The last piece of evidence supporting the theme is on Chapter 52, page 179. Thomas leaned back on the bench and put his right foot up on his knee. The conflict in the Maze Runner is the gladers are trying to find a way out of the maze, but they are faced with a lot of challenges from nature. The conflict of the Maze Runner is man versus nature. This is shown in Chapter 8, page 31. Seeing them brought Ben back to his mind, although with the horrific image of him withering in bed. Chuck, man, you gotta tell me what this whole changing business is. What have they been doing in there with the poor Ben kid? Ben is going through the changing, which is an effect of the vaccine that he got to counteract the griever's poison. This shows the conflict man versus nature because the grievers are part of the glade's nature. Another piece of evidence proving the theme is on Chapter 14, page 55. Ben's final screams were cut off when the walls closed with a terrible boom. In the Maze Runner, the gladers don't control the wall. The wall to the maze closes every night at the same time and opens every morning at the same time. The wall closing on Ben is the nature of the glade. I will be analyzing Thomas. Thomas entered the glade being scared and confused, but turned into a brave and strong-willed teen. In Chapter 26, page 95, I didn't do anything wrong. All I know is I saw 2 people struggling to get inside these walls, and they couldn't make it. To ignore that because of some stupid rule seems selfish, cowardly, and, well, stupid. If you want to throw me in jail for saving someone's life, then go ahead. Next time I promise I'll point at them and laugh, and then go eat some of Frypan's dinner. Thomas is shown being strong-willed and brave in this section of the book because he saw that Minho and Albie were in trouble, and he could see that no one else was going to do anything. So instead of watching them get stuck inside the maze, he decided to help them by going into the maze. Although he got himself stuck in the maze, he didn't give up and made sure that they would get Minho and Albie out safely. Thomas shows bravery and strong will again in Chapter 46, page 166. Don't worry, he whispered, hoping they could hear him. I did it on purpose. Thomas decided to get stung by the griever because he realized that if he got stung, he could remember his past and hopefully remember a way out of the maze. The rating of The Maze Runner is 5 stars. I chose 5 stars because this book grabbed my attention on the first page. The author did an amazing job of writing this book in a way that you could visualize exactly what is happening in each sentence. This book is filled with attention-grabbing details and is a good mix of action and mystery.